Meet Sipesihle Chibi. He runs this small fruit and vegetable business. Chibi is known on social media as Mr. Fruits and Vegetables. He's surprised by how ordinary people are reacting to his hustle. Earlier this year, he quit his full-time job as a car salesman to pursue his business idea.
It's an idea that actually came about when I was actually sitting down, realizing how hard it is at the stage in time. I'm looking at people being retrenched, looking at people losing their jobs. There's a lot of things that we're facing as in the country, So the idea came about finding a solution than complaining.
Entrepreneurship. Stop waiting and start solving. There are no jobs coming to save you, but there are problems everywhere, and problems are opportunities. This is Inkarhi, it's time, and I'm Kondus, your host. Today we talk about the fourth pillar, entrepreneurship. The problem. Most people are waiting for jobs, waiting for government, waiting for opportunity, but opportunity doesn't come. It's created.
Chibi wants to help reduce youth unemployment.
Sipesihle says he has got big plans for his business. He aims to expand his operations and hopefully inspire the youth. Thank you. Nice.
Shift. Entrepreneurship is simple. Find a problem, solve it, and get paid. That's it. Examples. Look around your community. People need food. Grow and sell. People need services. Provide them. People need convenience. Create it. Even my garden is not just food. It's a business opportunity. The real application. From what I'm building, I can sell vegetables, supply locals, and teach others. One system, multiple income streams. The message. Stop asking, who will hire me? And start asking, what problem can I solve? Comment, I created opportunities. Next, we break down how to start farming with almost no money. From dependence to self-reliance. If you are ready to stop depending and start building, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Kondus of Inkarhi. It's time. We're not just watching videos here. We're building a movement. Let's build together. Thanks for watching and take care.